Hey, my name is Jaxxsyn, spelled Jaxxsyn. Get it right. And, we've been in quarantine for a while. I've just been playing Fortnite 24/7, and I can't cook. So, let me show you guys how I make ramen. So, we got a packet of Top Ramen, hashtag not sponsored. Today, we're going to be putting it in the microwave. So you're going to need a bowl. So you're going to put your ramen on the counter, just eat it. Okay, so once you've given it a nice beating, just dump the remainder in the bowl. It looks like it's just got like some nice crumbs. Maybe scoop some off the counter too. So once you've done that, you need to be precise. So you need to measure out exactly 2.5 cups of water. Pour it all. I think that was too much. Just dump out the rest. So once you've done that, the microwave. Just put it in. Set the timer for 3 minutes, because I'm pretty sure that's what the package says. Stovetop cooking directions. Nobody cooks anything on the stove. No added MSG. Contains small amounts of naturally occurring glutamates. Contains small amounts of naturally... So why does it say that twice? Alright. The original Top Ramen, Momofuku Endo, invented instant ramen in 1958 when he created chicken ramen in Japan. He went on to create the original Top Ramen for the US in 1970. Momofuku Endo. I'm really sorry if I'm pronouncing this wrong. Let's see. 1 serving per container. For 1/2 pack. Why would you eat only half of a package? Like, then just make 2 packages. I don't understand these food companies trying to rip us off. They're either trying to rip us off or they're trying to make us fat. I'm not sure which. Ingredients. Enriched flour. Wheat flour. Why are they listing the ingredients of the ingredient? I just don't understand. So this is the flavor packet. It always gets pretty squished up in there, so you gotta like shake it a little bit until you get all the powder. Our ramen still has 1 minute left. I think this flavor packet isn't very much. We need more. See, we got a spice cupboard. Ground mustard. Sounds pretty good. What else? Cloves. No. Turmeric. Looks too spicy. Let's see. Italian seasoning, Let's just make it like a Japanese Italian cuisine. We can mix and match. Let's see, what else we got in the spice cupboard? Cinnamon. Nah. Cumin. Perfect. Right, so we're gonna add these. It's like our ramen's ready. You might want to get a hot pan. why is it soapy? It shouldn't be. So they're putting soap in our ramen. I just don't understand the food FDA anymore. So you got a fork. You're supposed to eat your ramen with a fork so you can pick up the noodles. Okay, so we got our flavor packet, which we don't even need because we got all these beautiful spices ground in whatever country they might have been ground in purely. You're just gonna put all your flavors, mix it up. See, like, this clearly isn't enough. Like, no. So we're gonna add some of our ground mustard. Just make it more yellow. Then we need some of our Italian seasoning. Make it just for some pizzazz. Then we need our cumin. It smells like sausages. Okay. You know what? This still isn't enough. We need more. You know what? This looks really unhealthy. Let's see if we can like add a vegetable. Okay, fridge. Fridge is where it's all at. Mushrooms. Those are healthy. These are healthy, I think. Okay, so to make our ramen a little bit more healthy, because I've heard that like ramen like causes cancer now. Perfect. Now I think we're probably gonna want to slice these because I don't think you can eat that part. A knife. Perfect. Why isn't this working? Alright, that should be good enough. Alright, I think that's good. I think that looks pretty good. Well, now for the taste test. Let's get a pepper in there. Well, my Fortnite squad is dropping in 5 minutes, so we gotta go. But I'll see you guys next time. Bye.